wonderful week it was. As in the last week's analysis, I told you Nasdaq 100 is signaling a reversal and possibly we may see it hitting 11,500 levels. It has breached 11,500. Now, what next? How will make profit next week? Trading Nasdaq 100, which position you should take in order to profit? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon, which will keep you updated with the twice a day analysis which I share for Nasdaq 100, where I do share my targets and the trading entries as well. So do watch the daily analysis first with the Asia session, next with the US cash session. Do not miss that. Let's start. In this analysis, first we'll look into candlestick charts followed with indicators. Towards the end, I will give you the trading levels and strategy for next week. So do watch till the end. Now look at the weekly charts first. See, it has created the bottom here, and with that as bottom it is trying to rise. So how far it is looking forward to, how far it can retrace to, possibly. Now see, also another observation is the flat bottom and the flat top. This indicates that it has still got the potential for it to rise. Yes, we can see 12,000 levels again. So almost 470 points from here, as it is closed at 11,530. Last week it has seen a rise of almost 530 points. This time in fact it can breach highs, and 12,000 12,200 levels to be seen again. Possibility exists. Also remember that if it breaks 12,200 levels this time, consider this for a reversal and we will be looking forward to 13,500 14,000 levels as a reversal, as it has bottomed here. See, drop, retracement, drop, double bottom. Now trying to reverse. Possibly we may see it achieving those levels in the near future, and hence you should remain cautious and alert. I am giving you this analysis well in advance. Take your positions accordingly. Next week, if it breaks past 11,600, you should stay long in Nasdaq 100. Stay long for 12,000. Stay long for this month also, where you can expect further highs till towards 12,200, and beyond that certainly further more bullishness can be seen in the upcoming weeks and months. But certainly 12,000 12,200 is going to provide very strong resistance. Then I will look forward to 12,800 and then 13,500 14,000 levels. So yes, these levels in the few weeks from now are achievable. Now let's have a look at the daily charts. On the daily chart, see the bottom there. After this bottom, it is trying to reverse here. Now first point is, it is trying to trade in this bullish channel. See the candles there with the sharp tails and increasing body means increasing bullishness, and from here there could be a sharper green candle taking it till towards first target should be at around 11,700 800 zone, and then 12,000 levels. So these levels are achievable possibly in next few candles from here, and definitely achieving this zone 12,000 11,800 12,000 and 12,200. If these two are broken, certainly you can consider this for a very good reversal, where possibly we are looking forward to a first target of 12,400 500 levels. So stay cautious and alert with this. Now on the daily charts also, it appears probably we may see a little rise. On the downside, the support levels are now at around, see, 11,300. These level you should be watchful of. If it breaks below 11,300 and 200, if these two are taken, consider that it is going to drop for 11,000 again. Be cautious. 11,200 and 300, if these two levels Nasdaq 100 respects for the next week, you can stay long. You can expect that we are looking at 11,800 and 12,000. In fact, 12,200 levels cannot be denied. So this is one part to it. Now let's have a look at the monthly candle. On the monthly candle, now on the monthly charts, you can see precisely same bottom 10,700, and we expected that possibly 10,700 should provide support. It is trying to rise. Now see how far it can rise. It can in fact break past the highs of the previous candle. So flat bottom and increasing size, it means that towards the end of the month we can in fact see it achieving 12,500 and 12,800 levels, and in fact further highs may take it above 13,000 levels, but I doubt. Possibly it can try to achieve the highs here, and then next month it can retrace further. It can achieve highs further till towards 13,500 14,000 levels. So from here I am telling you, once it stays above 11,600, stay long. For a positional long entry you can take in Nasdaq 100 from now itself. You can expect 12,500, 13,000 levels in next few weeks from now. Let it retrace wherever it goes, you can stay long. Possibly we can expect those levels. Now, at the same time, another observation, rather than being confident, you need to be careful of 12,000, 12,200 levels. So it has to break past this zone certainly in order to trade bullish. That is very, very clear. So another 500, 600 points if you gain, you will gain. If you stay long about 11,600, very clear. Now we have seen the charts. Let's have a look with the help of indicators. What the indicators are suggesting here. On the indicators part, now see, it is trading above the 20, 50 and 100 period moving average. It is trading outside the Bollinger Bands. It is trading bullish here. Now see this, the 20, 50 period moving average have started curving again. Possibly this may cross over and it can continue to trade bullish from here. The target should be 12,000, 12,200 zone. Directional movement is bullish here on the daily charts. Stock stick is overbought. This is one part where it indicates that there is a possibility for it to retrace here. The MACD is divergent bullish. It has seen the highs and we should be watchful here. See the previous highs here. The candle size appears that plus 100 levels are giving it a good resistance. So from here we will be little bit watchful. RSI looking upwards. And yes, a little retracement can be there. However, overall it is bullish till the time it trades above 11,200, 300. We can stay long there. Now look at the weekly chart. See the weekly moving averages are still divergent, still trading bearish. I'll wait for them to converge and hence couple or more bullish candles are required. The crossover is seen here on Nasdaq 100's weekly chart. The directional movement which is crossed over for a bearish move in 2022 now is looking forward to a crossover for a bullish move. The stock stick which was oversold now looking forward to a rise here. And the MACD has started to diverge again. Possibly we can expect it to continue with the bullish momentum. RSI has also started to look upwards. Now if you look at the monthly charts, on the monthly charts, see the monthly candles, the monthly moving average are still curving down. I'll wait for it to break past this zone so that it can reverse the movement completely. Remember, it is forming a bottom here and from here the rise could be sharp enough for it to take it further highs. Directional movement is bearish so far. It may converge. Stock stick was oversold, now looking upwards on the monthly charts. The MACD is still divergent and bearish. So see the highs it has seen, probably from here it may converge again and continue with the bullish momentum. The RSI is also seen the bottom, possibly trying to rise a bit more from here. So we have seen the charts, we have seen the indicators. Time for us to define the levels and strategy for next week. And yes, if you want to learn the art of trading profitably, if you want to learn how to identify the entry points, how to identify the profitable trades, where to enter, where to exit, if you want to learn the tools, techniques and strategies, you should join my mentorship batch. The 19th batch is going to start in first week of February. Do not miss this opportunity. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now, on the upside, I will recommend you to buy here at 11,560 levels. Expect 11,660. This is the next target. And once it trades beyond this zone, remember, once it trades beyond this zone for next week, you can expect 11,840 and 12,000 levels. And if it breaks and beyond 12,000, 12,200. So this zone certainly you should look forward to the next time. Probably this is going to give it a very, very tough resistance there, because beyond that directly it will land to 12,400 and 12,500. And if it sustains this, then 12,800, 13,000 levels. If not this week, possibly next week, it may try to attempt and achieve those levels. On the downside, where to sell? Now this is also equally important. I will recommend you to sell at 11,400, 11,440 levels, and below 11,440, 11,400, 11,350, 11,300 and then 11,200. Very, very nearby resistance. And as I said, it needs to break out below 11,300, 200 zone, such that in order to trade bearish, then also you can expect 11,060, 10,970 levels, and only below 10,970 you can consider this as bearish. I don't expect this to see 11,000 any point of time in the near future. When I say this, I am saying it again very strongly. I don't see it looking forward to sub 11,000 levels in the near future any point of time again. My target for it for Nasdaq 100 is to achieve 13,500, 14,000 levels in the near future. Maybe a couple of months, 3 months, 4 months down the lane, we may see it hitting 14,000 levels. Mark my words. I am telling you again and again, we can see the bullishness in Nasdaq 100 in the coming first few months. So trade accordingly, trade profitably, trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading week ahead and do watch the daily analysis. Do join my mentorship batch or signals channel. Reach out to me for more details. Thank you.